Lawmakers and educators sounded the alarm on the rising cases of bullying in and outside classrooms. Mayan Los Baños with the report.
A brawl at Bagong Silangan High School in Quezon City that involved intense hair pulling and the fatal stabbing of a student by a classmate in Moonwalk National High School in Parañaque. These are just some of the more recent violence in schools that senators find very disturbing. At Tuesday's hearing of the Committee on Basic Education, Senator Win Gatchalian sounded the alarm on the rising cases of bullying in and outside of classrooms, and these incidents are all over social media now.
Parang nagiging palabas na yung bullying ngayon kasi everyone has a cellphone. No? At yung cellphone na yon ay pwede mong i-upload kaagad. Pag in-upload nila yan, hindi rin natin makokontrol and share. Pwede lang i-share yan sa isa, pwedeng i-share yan sa 1 milyon. Pero may sugat yan o malalim na sugat hanggang sa darating pang mga panahon. So, kaya importante na itong problemang ito ma-address na natin ngayon.
According to the principal of Bagong Silangan High School, they immediately spoke to the parents of students involved in the brawl. They even tried to keep the video from reaching online platforms, but it was the aunt of the victim that uploaded it. It also turned out that this was not the first and last bullying incident.
Bakit madalas magkaroon ng bullying sa inyo? Meron ba kayong in-appoint na guidance designate?
Meron po sir sa grade 7, meron po sa grade 8, grade 9 at grade 10 sir. Meron din pong grade level in charge po sa bawat grade level.
So-called bullies are given community service. Along with their victims, these children also undergo counseling. At Moonwalk National High School, the principal says they lack guidance counselors. At the moment, the school only has a guidance designate who also doubles up as a teacher.
Tayo pa rin ang tinaguri ang pinaka-bullying capital of the world.
According to the Program for International Student Assessment or PISA, the Philippines topped several countries when it comes to bullying in schools in 2018 and 2022. Department of Education data revealed rising incidents of physical and cyberbullying, almost 80,000 from 2019 to 2022. DepEd admits their teachers cannot monitor all students, especially when they step outside classrooms. The agency is proposing a child protection committee in every school to address matters of violence among students. For Senator Gatchalian, one effective way to curb bullying is to teach good manners and right conduct or GMRC to children in grades 1 to 12. DepEd promises to make this a priority when the new school year begins. Reporting for News 5, Mayan Los Baños, we are One News.